Well now, I ain't saying I got it all figured out, but that girl's screen door tells me everything I need to know. I pulled up slow for the gravel could complain. Killed the engine, let the silence say my name. She was standing there with her arms crossed tight, like a summer storm fixing up a fight. I said, hey now, she didn't say a word, but that old screen door, yeah, I heard that screen door slam. Shook them hinges like a backbeat band. Didn't need no talk, didn't need no plan. Girl, I felt it in the way it landed. That screen door slam said, don't you come round here again. But it also said, boy, you better understand, she still cares, yeah, I know she can. From that screen door slam. Next night I came back about 9:15. Had a six-pack peace offering, cold as I could find. She cracked that door just enough to see one eye on me, one eye on leaving. I said, I'm sorry. She said, we'll see. Then Wim spoke louder than she could be. That screen door slam hit me harder than a long goodbye. Rang out true, she won't say out loud. Like a tear she won't let me find. That screen door slam ain't just anger in that sound. There's a little love still hanging around. Every time it shakes that ground, I hear her heart in that screen door slam. Some folks talk it out, some folks walk away, but her, she lets that old screen door say it all. And buddy, it don't whisper. That screen door slam like thunder rolling through my chest, saying you messed up, but you ain't done yet. There's a chance if you don't forget. That screen door slam ain't just wood and a rusty spring, it's every little feeling in between. Yeah, she's saying more than she lets me see. Every time the screen door slams on me, I don't need her words, I just need that sound. Means I still got a shot.